wipe your tears away. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is kaelo.molebatsi and I'm back again with another video. So this video is gonna be a vlog. I don't understand what vlog it's gonna be, but it's gonna be a vlog. Right now I'm getting ready so I can go over to Dintle's house, and then we're gonna go to Dintle's nail appointment. Tomorrow is Dintle's MD. I'm supposed to leave the house at 22:12. It's currently 11 something, and this is the state of my hair. So I've decided that I want to install my hair, which is probably the worst decision to make, but why not? This is the hair. You guys have seen this hair like so many times at this point. This hair is from Hairline. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the hair. Yeah. So it has like this lace. So I want to paste this lace on my forehead. Is that weird? I don't know, but we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see if it's possible. I'm literally only realizing now that this would have been way faster if I used the hair dryer, but like I can't get the hair dryer to the side and I need to see what I'm doing. Also guys, let's not talk about my skin. Let's really not talk about my skin. Sanbonani guys, and welcome to Friday. Today is Dintle's MD. I'm gonna go take a bath now. I am still wearing yesterday's clothes because I had to wake up early in the morning, write a test, do chores around the house, and then eat. So now I finally got time to like wind down a little bit. So I'm gonna go take a bath, and then I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna wear after I take a bath because today's theme is black once again, because also Neil's graduation was black, but I don't want to wear the same thing I wore then, so I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Yes guys, I mean, I'm a cornrows. I'm not just raw dogging through life, I do have cornrows. So yeah, yesterday's vlog was a bit messy because I didn't speak to you guys. I don't know, man, I don't know why I don't speak in my vlogs really, but we did get her nails done, and then my storage ran out. As I was saying, yesterday was a bit messy, but we did manage to get Dintle's nails done and her toes. She couldn't do her lashes though. Yeah, I want to go and buy flowers for her, but I don't know what flowers she likes. Oh my gosh, I'm such a bad friend because I actually don't know what flowers she likes. But yeah, I want to get her flowers. I don't know what flowers to get, but she's saying we should take sunflowers. Should we take sunflowers and hope, but like it's yellow and her dress is champagne gold.
There isn't for flowers too.
You're shy. You look nice. I got a photo.
I'm not the influencer here. Sorry dear. Ga maar.
I'm only here passing time. It's hoping I'll find
Oh, you got it. That's cute. Boxing. Wait, did you? And I tried to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way it's really not. It's really not.
So,
One that I had never lived. Maybe one day you feel lonely, and in his eyes you'll get a glimpse. Maybe you'll start slipping slowly and find me again.
Ya no carne esa pusa.
I have a malfunction. It's not losing. Oh, that's all right, guys. I have to look at them. They said we should respect their. Oh, sorry.
And I tried to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way you are. Said I'm fine and said I'm. Hi guys, so I just got back home from Dintle's MD and I look like a mess. Glad that you guys can't see my skin, it's because it's bad. So while I was at the shop, at the mall I went to Sweetheart, and I am not a fan of going to beauty supply stores. Because tell me why I nearly bought the entire shop. Tell me why. So I first got this hairband. I got a black one and then I also got a white one. It was only 10 rand. Okay, we got lashes. We're gonna install lashes. We're gonna install lashes now. We got these lashes. They're like super dark, so they're gonna literally look like an actual thing. And these were 30 rand each, so this was 90 rand. And then Tina got this. This anklet was 25 rand. And then she made me buy a wig band because I actually don't have a wig band. And this wig band was 15 rand. And then I got this last hairband, which was 8 rand for the lady. Thank you. So that was what I got. Oh, and then I also got earrings, and I lost one inside the car, so that was bad. And the overall total was 186. For everything that I just showed you, it was 186 rand, guys. So yeah, that was my little haul, and I'll lay out everything on the bin and I'll show you guys how cutesy they look. Oh, I also got a liner. Sorry, I got a lip liner, but it's in Tina's bag because I already used it when I was going to Dintle's MD. And I'm back home. My girl looks so good. She looks so fine. She is down. So yeah, that was today's vlog. I'm gonna do Bible study and then I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. And then tomorrow we're going to a wedding, and then Sunday we have church, and then we're going to a wedding again. But I don't have an outfit for tomorrow's wedding, so I need to get that. And yeah, that's just my little update. Storage is that fell on sorry, it was in. I'm at my girl too. Hi guys, and welcome to Sunday. Today is officially Sunday. Currently at my hair appointment.
I had a lash appointment. DIY grading.
So yeah man, she's about to install my hair. Quite scared for my hairline, but I think I have a strong hairline. So this is before, and I'll show you guys an after. You guys know the hair, so I'll show you guys an after. And yeah. Greetings guys, today is officially my last day in Northwest. I've been in Northwest this entire time and I forgot to mention that we went to a wedding yesterday. It was a very interesting long wedding, but I'm back home. Well, we came back home yesterday, but yes, this is officially the outro of this video. Hi guys and welcome to, today is Thursday. My vlog was supposed to end at the wedding, but I decided that because it looks a bit short, as I'm editing it's like under 20 minutes, so I'm like, today I'm going to watch netball, so I might as well bring you guys along. So I'm still in Northwest. I know in my outro I said I'm leaving for Pretoria, but that did not happen. So today is Thursday. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going to my grandma's place tomorrow, and then I'm gonna officially go back to Pretoria on Sunday. I'm gonna go back to school Monday. It's back to school sana, and in okay, but my skin is coming along. It's coming along. So today we're going to Sun City. We're gonna go watch the TNL. So yeah, let's get it. Woo! Officially in Sun City. Like Sun City is actually like so beautiful guys. It can't make you see it like the last time. So we are a bit lost, we don't know where to go, but we're just gonna follow the road and see. I really wanna see the fireballs. I wanna see Tali Mate. And then I also wanna see the Baobabs. I wanna see Muhluri. I was really interrupted. I want to see Muhluri. She plays for Baobabs, and I definitely want to see the Jaguars because I was racing for the Jaguars last year. But I think I missed the Crinums. I want to see the Crinums. I want to see Refill. Yeah. So I'll update you guys once we're inside. I'm super tired. We just finished washing the fireballs and the fireballs one. Good Tali Mate. Put a picture of Tali Mate right here. I know I look a bit weird, but that's not the point. The point is now we're going to spend to eat and then we're going to go back and watch Jaguars and Baobabs. Actually, I don't know what to say, but thank you guys so much for watching another messy vlog. I'll try to speak to you guys more often, but like I did mention that I'm going to 2 weddings church, and I did that. So yeah, I'm just currently packing. Like I'm not sure what time I'm leaving, but I just know that I'm leaving today. So thank you guys all so much for watching until the last minute of this video. You know, stand up blind.